Welcome back to Big Joe Backyard Barbecue. Today we've got a beautiful Mexican street corn recipe, or elotes, one of my all-time favorite things to put on the grill. Totally delicious. We've got our Big Joe 3 set up for direct heat at about 400, stabilized there. We're gonna get these fresh shucked ears of corn onto the grates. And I like to have them vertical like this just so I can roll them back and forth. We want to just get all these ears kind of charred up, and that's gonna take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the heat. Once you start hearing popping, you're going to want to start changing them, and we want some nice charring just like that. Not black up and down the entire cob, but beautiful darkening of the yellow. I love corn on the summer. I think this is like the best side dish you can have. And this is essentially the color and the charring that we're looking for on about a third to half of the corn. We got charring, and it's popping nicely. Fire's going. That took us about 10 minutes. But this looks really good. I'm gonna get it off. Now, what makes Mexican street corn is the sauce. So we are gonna be doing equal parts of mayonnaise to Mexican crema, then the juice of 2 limes. Then we're gonna add in salt, fresh pepper, and some chili powder. Give that a really good mix. And you can make this sauce ahead of time, day before, no problem. And then you can just put it on the corn when you're ready. And now we're just gonna paint or spoon that beautiful sauce on. Great acidity, great seasoning. I think this is the best dish you can cook for a cookout in the summer with all that beautiful fresh corn. And the taste is mind-blowing. Like, people who've never had this before, you're gonna change lives, I guarantee it. And then to finish this off, we're gonna top it with some Mexican crumbling cheese. Really, really nice. And some rough chopped cilantro. It's a beautiful dish. Tastes of summer. Now for our final taste test here. So good. You get the sweetness from the corn, herb notes from the cilantro. The sauce is a banger with that chili powder and the lime. Delicious. We think you should definitely try this. Put it on as a side dish. Thank you very much for watching.